only just met. Frustrated, Anna tried to stop her sister and accidentally pulled off one of her gloves. Without her glove, and upset with Anna, Elsa accidentally exposed her secret powers. Ice and snow blasted from her hand, covering the kingdom. Fearing she might hurt someone and ruin her kingdom, Elsa fled. Anna thought it was her fault Elsa's powers had been revealed. She rushed off to find her sister. She hired a mountain man named Kristoff to be her guide. In time, Anna and Kristoff found a snowman named Olaf. He was alive! Anna remembered him and the good time she had shared with her sister. Olaf led the way to Elsa. Elsa was enjoying her time alone. Now she was free to create whatever she wanted. She built an ice castle. Shwing! Ice castle comes up. Whoa, 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 whoa. And then everybody stands up and sings.